guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you that you watch again my little YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Tomat-Concassée. That means little cubes of a tomato without skin. The easiest way how to peel tomatoes is to have a hot and a cold water. First of all, slice across in the tomatoes, and then you put it in the boiling water. Be careful, don't hurt yourself. These don't need a long of time. It's just quickly that the skin get hot, and after this it's like 30 seconds, 20 seconds, you put it out in a ice water. Ice water would be the best option what you have, because then the skin will flip down by themselves. I didn't have ice water, so I used just the coldest water I could get in my home. And right now I will show you the next skill. That's the other way how to peel a tomato. You just cut it in half, and then in a quarter. Put out the seeds and the inside life. We will use all the seeds and all the insides for a sauce later. And yeah, now you take the knife and you are really close to the cutting board. Twist the knife front to back and go slowly the whole way from up to down. As you can see, this way to peeling a tomato is not really easy, and also you will lose a lot of tomato on the skin. And then we chop the tomatoes to the Tomat-Concassée. If you like my videos, guys, subscribe my channel and push the like button. I appreciate every like and every follower, especially in the beginning. It's really important for me to grow slowly. So now we take the tomato out of the cold water. You don't need at home to put it in that long. Now you can see why we put in the cross, because now we start from the cross down peeling the tomato, and you see the skin is really thin. So we don't lose a lot of tomato. What is it all around the tomatoes? This will be my next video, and who subscribe will see what I do with all the other ingredients in the next video. It's really delicious and tasty, I promise you guys, and it's really easy. Here the same game, cut the tomatoes to cubes, and we will use it later for push the like button, follow me again, and you will see. I hope I could help you. That's it.